She got a booty, she do.
Shut up, Snooki. You're making this a little scary. Okay, so you probably want to show up for a little bit.
Yes, sir.
Oh, fuck, I pooped myself.
Hey, what's up? Ah! Here, I'm here to help you. Oh no.
Get the hell on.
Oh, look, it's right behind you. Don't look behind you, Paul.
It's not. I
Don't look behind you. Just don't look behind you.
Oh shit, he's close.
That doesn't mean he's cut. That means there's a tape recording nearby. The things you have to find.
It's right back here. I know where this one is.
Jason,
Oh my God, I hate turning because it's like
Jason,
you have to see one thing or the other.
Jason, quit taking a video.
Ash.
Jason. Jason.
What's
Oh.
What's gonna happen? He pops up or?
Yeah.
It's scary, man.
No.
It Marcus still acting like a big boy. It's just scary and deal with it, okay? Stop acting like you're all brave. It's scary. It gets scary. Once you get this first tape, you're like,
He's so scary, guy. Oh my god.
Well, you've been circling that area for like 5 minutes.
no, I haven't. I went up and down, you dumbass.
No. No.
I'm gonna go back to where I started making that noise by that.
Ow! Got it!
Yeah, his speed is not very well. So he's going if he showed up once I do this, I'll poop myself. Hey, you're kidding. Oh, don't do that. This is dead, dude.
What?
He's taping me so when I poop my pants, I make it know.
Could you not, Saki?
You make this a lot less scary. Hey, there it is.
You're welcome.
Yay!
Saki.
Okay, he's gonna start showing up a little bit.
As fast as this guy goes.
Oh god,
another one.
You watch that. One time, I did that, and the sergeant's like, don't turn around. And I turned around, he was right there.
Why'd I fucking tell you?
This is a worse room, because you can already see the shadows.
It's like those boomsticks we bought.
Thunder sticks.
Same fucking thing.
Is there a recording nearby?
Oh my god, he's... No, not that way. The other way. No, not that way. The other way. Yeah, see that black thing? Kill it.
The darkness.
Does he kill you or something like that?
No, he
If you stay in
fucking...
his sights long
He
enough.
gives you a hug and invites you to his house, and you never see him again.
Oh my god, we have to! One call, what? Get out of this room. Oh, another room like this. Isn't that just great,
Look
guys?
behind you.
Shut up, Starkey last year.
It'll tickle the shit out of you.
I can't wait.
You're just gonna see those big ass hands that they tickle, tickle, tickle. Oh, fucking tickle it. You see him? You just hear him speak. Oh, fucking tickle
Guys,
it.
we're in rooms full of cabinets. There's no way out of
Tickle it.
Get the fuck out of here, Starkey.
You just see the guy as soon as I did it. Oh, fucking tickle it.
Oh, damn it!
And watch the retard in his natural habitat.
You see Paul in his pussy
Right there.
stage.
What are you doing, Marcus? Are you kidding me?
I'm watching Paul. To see what his reaction is gonna be.
Are you such a pussy you won't even look at it?
No, I'm watching you.
Look at it. You can watch both. He's gonna tape it.
Okay.
Trust me, you'll hear Paul's reaction.
Yeah, I'm like 2 seconds after.
You can hear the pee drip down his leg.
Cause he's way evil.
be right there. You'd be like, fucking tickle you. I'll fucking tickle you.
Stop, dude. Why are you so obsessed with tickling boys, man?
Sandusky Jr.
Right in the fucking shoulder.
Why would you turn around? He's like,
Yeah, go touch it.
right there.
Where is he?
Oh my god.
Why do you keep spinning?
Because I don't know where it is.
What's that green thing in the corner?
I don't know. I don't want to know.
It's an automatic suicide.
Yeah, no flashlights.
It's gonna be right to the right.
Nightmare is probably like the worst setting.
Right there.
Yeah,
I'm
he's not
way
gonna
too
be in the
close to-
corner.
He won't be in a corner. He'll be popping around something. I haven't seen him yet. Feeling pretty confident.
What color is,
No,
is
as
it?
soon as you say that, he's gonna
Is
be
that
there.
green thing? You haven't
He's
seen
gonna
that.
be around
You haven't seen that green thing.
He's
Yeah,
gonna-
it's like
He's
in different
behind you.
spots.
You can hear him walking behind
If I would have heard footsteps, I'd.
you. Yeah, it's right behind you. He's gonna fucking tickle you. Look a thing.
See, it gets bad because once you get one, it starts getting scary. Once you get two, it starts.
You start hearing sounds.
There's one nearby.
Dude, shut.
It's right there.
I don't want to grab it because then he's gonna show up.
Good. But he can die. He's never gonna get back to bed.
Marcus needs.
You know, right here, I'm coming now. He's bolting after my ass.
Is that-
Surprise, motherfucker!
Has anyone ever beat it? Like all eight?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
it's an easy game. It's just it's scary as poop.
Yeah, it's just Paul.
It's a lot more fun with like
I'm such a
friends.
fucking pussy. How much do you guys play this? Like,
I played
Yeah.
it 3 times, and on the 3rd time I beat it.
oh, he's close.
Nah.
My flashlight died. Oh!
Oh, fucking tickle you.
Run! Run! He's coming after my ass.
He's gonna fucking tickle you.
Where's he?
What is that?
Where is he?
Why would you turn around?
I don't know. Oh my god! There's something to ask you. My flashlight's dying too. What the hell? Where'd I get flashlights?
He-
So- oh! Oh!
He's gonna fucking tickle you.
Oh my god! Where did he come from? He was right there!
He came for the fucking tickle.
He's gonna tickle you! Oh my god!
He's gonna fucking tickle the shit out of you.
Dude, I don't want to go down there anymore.
It'll tickle the living life out of you. God damn. He's gonna tickle you.
Guys, if he comes up again, I'll...
Oh my god,
God, I think I should commit suicide at this point.
How do you even do that?
It's a great one.
You should go up to everything. It's like a
Fucking
Marcus,
tickle you.
move your foot. Thank you.
You guys, if he comes up again, if my flashlight dies, it's suicide. I'm not. I know the password's whack. I'm running for the suicide. Okay.
So I can stop.
Good one.
Yeah.
You should wait till you see it at least.
Don't turn around.
Turn around, bright guy.
Nope.
You just hear, hey. You hear what Marcus does? Run the other way.
What would be worse, this kind of guy or freaking a pedophile?
This kind of guy. He's a pedophile, at least. Like, it's human. Guys, I'm committing suicide. I'm done.
No. No, come on.
Paul, don't.
This game is done. I'm done.
Paul,
with the game.
oh my god, don't be gay.
Pussy. You're on video.
What's happening now?
Don't be a pussy.
Am I dying?
It's gonna be right behind you. Just touch it.
Wait, guys, where? Oh my god! Suicide! 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 Suicide!
Tickle you.
Ah!
That's it.